amazing kids and curious minds. Welcome back to Alphabet Adventures. Today, we're diving into the delightful and dazzling world of the letter D. Are you ready to discover all the wonderful things that start with D? Let's go! Here's our star of the day, the letter D. It's like a magical key that unlocks a world full of exciting things. Can you guess some words that start with D? First up, D is for dolphin. Dolphins are playful and smart animals that love to jump and splash in the ocean. They even have their own way of chatting with each other. Let's make dolphin sounds together. Next, D is for donut. Donuts are delicious and come in so many flavors like chocolate, sprinkles, and even maple glaze. What's your favorite donut? Let's pretend to eat one. Don't forget, D is for dancing. Dancing is a fun way to express yourself and move to the music. Let's get up and show off your best dance moves. How about a dance party right now? And last but not least, D is for dandelion. These bright, fluffy flowers can turn into puffballs that you can blow away and make a wish. Have you ever made a wish on a dandelion? What did you wish for? Wow, look at all the fantastic things we've discovered today with the letter D. From dolphins and donuts, dancing and dandelions, D is truly a letter full of delightful surprises. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey through the letter D. Remember, whenever you see the letter D, think of all the wonderful and fun things it can represent. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an adventure with the alphabet. See you next time on Alphabet Adventures. Bye for now.
With the letter D, it's a perfect day. D is for delight. Come and take a ride. Dive into the world where wonders never hide. D is for dancing. Twirl and sway. D is for dandelions, blowing wishes away. So remember, friends, when you see the D, think of all the wonders and you'll always see. D is for delight and so much more. With the letter D, there's always an adventure in store.